Okay, this is Richard Acuff with Acuff Hauling, and I'm going to move a compact heat pump by myself, and it's pretty heavy, but I'm going to give you a look at it before I get started. That's what I'm moving by myself. So I'm going to find a place to put the thing. Okay. Try to place it where I can move it. Y'all can see it. I ain't got no camera person. Put it back here. Okay. And to get started, make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have hot tub removals and stuff like that on here too as well. So let's keep going. Pretty heavy. Put it up on the wheel. Try to camp the foot. I put it up toward the front of my trailer so it slide back and forth. I don't know if you can see it. I found me a little furry caterpillar. It ain't dead, it's balled up every time. Well, I'll let him go. Thank y'all. It was a short video, but thank y'all for watching.